Xiaomi has launched a new multifunctional smart rice cooker for people who want something more versatile than a basic one-pot cooker. The Mijia Smart IH Rice Cooker 2 Multifunctional Edition is now listed on Xiaomi App in both 3L and 4L sizes. Crowdfunding kicks off on September 6th, with the 3L model priced at 649 yuan and the 4L at 689 yuan, Euro 87. The design is modular, which should make cleaning a lot easier. Both sides of the inner pot have anti-scalding handles, so you can lift it out safely even when it's hot. The 3L version measures 288.5 by 281 by 249.5 millimeters, while the 4L is a bit taller at 288.5 by 281 by 274 millimeters. Both models put out 1300W and use a wraparound 3D IH heating system. The three-dimensional coil covers more surface area, so the rice heats and tumbles more evenly. The inner pot itself is a 3 mm thick fused titanium composite that holds heat well. It also features a true 0% fluorine coating that meets China's National Class II non-stick standard, better for healthier cooking and simpler cleanup. You get 9 cooking modes, including premium rice, quick rice, nutritious steaming, stewing, and waterless baking. The heating logic has been tuned so a quick cook cycle can finish in about 26 minutes. You can open the lid whenever you want to stir, add ingredients, or reduce the sauce without the cooker shutting down, which gives you more control over the process. Connected to the Xiaomi Mijia App, and you unlock more than 100 cloud recipes. It also supports 24-hour delayed start and up to 12 hours of keep warm, so meal planning is pretty flexible. Overall, the Multifunctional Edition brings even IH heating, a fluorine-free non-stick pot, multiple cooking modes, and app support together in one package. It's Xiaomi's latest step toward giving people a single kitchen appliance that can handle a wider range of everyday dishes.